Hey, it's Design Guy here. Ready to make your own epic movie style titles in Canva? Let's dive in. Click Create, select Videos, then choose Landscape Video for this tutorial. First, click Add and select Blank to create a new canvas before using our sample. Next, add text. I moved the cinema text from one side to the other for better placement. I added presenting text on this side and made it hidden for later use. Apply match and move in the transition. Move the image from its current position to the new one, then animate it shifting smoothly from the starting point to the ending point. Click play to watch the video, then you can add audio if desired. Go to Elements and search for the cinematic audio, named Dramatic. Add effects like cinema audio, then insert another slide with the main movie. Set the title as Poster, then add a black page to include additional content. Apply a background to the final slide, then select a recent color from the background options. Press S and slice the movie poster at the desired location. Select the line, then click S to divide this Canva page at that point. Add new text, apply burst animation, then move the text as needed. Minimize the full screen title or poster into this compact view. Change the image and add a border. The match and move transition works well to smoothly animate the image change in your project. Ensure the second image comes from this image, even if you added another one. If the match and move style isn't working, try switching to a different view mode. The poster shrinks and transforms into the image. That's how to apply the effect. Practice matching moves in Canva, then click Share, adjust the quality settings, and finally hit Download. Now you know how to create cinematic title animations in Canva and subscribe for more cool design tips.